You wanna make brows for your game character, but you don't know how. Not a problem. Introducing
Superfacial Brows.
Create, choose a preset, bake, and you're done. No more particle or hair system bullshit.
Superfacial Brows.
Just click, click, and click. Save the rest of time and drive into vaporwave sunset. Act now. Dial 555-9527.
Superfacial Brows.
$9.99, tax included. Shipping and handling extra from app not included. この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りします。The installation is quite simple. Click Edit, Preferences, Add-on. Locate the file you just downloaded. And now it's installed. Press N to open the side panel. Click on Import. Type in your email and license. Choose if you want to save your login info. Login, and now it's ready. Choose a brow mesh. If yours not on the list, it doesn't matter. Just select default. Select if you want to focus on the brow. Now click Create. Select a face for the brows to grow on. The outline, guide, and hair can be toggled individually. You could switch sides or generate options for the brows. In edit mode, you can move vertices to change the brow shape. Subdivide if you want more control. If you don't want to mess with the verts, you can change brow shape with mood and style options. There are many more things you can do to the brows. We'll introduce these options later. There are factory and user presets. Let's save the brows we just made to the user presets. Now let's try different brows from the factory presets. And we can load back brows we just saved. If you're working on larger or smaller models, click Create. Scale it roughly to match the size. Move it closer to face. Then set the face as target. Switch to Edit mode. Adjust the positions. It will look better if the birds are closer to the face. You could use Snap to help you achieve this. Before baking, select Brows as target, then select the hair card you prepared or hit Generate by the plugin, and choose your desired resolution and samples. Then hit Bake. Toggle GPU if you have one. The brows are now baked into hair cards. You can check results with View options. It will look even better if you tailor-made hair cards. Baking into hair card largely reduces the cost of performance. As shown in the pictures, it reduced from more than 45,000 to less than 100 triangles. It's the key to make game-ready assets. No matter if you're working on a project with Unreal, Unity, Godot, or other game engines. Now let's move on to the brow options. When mood and style is toggled, this section will take over the shape of the brow. Reshape length to make the brow shorter. Arc height brings the arc higher or lower. Arc offset repositions the center of the arc. Influence on tail moves the tail according to the arc. Tail height lets you adjust the tail by itself. Play with the section to give unique mood or style. The brows decide how far the hair grows. Head shape upper and lower make the area more open or confined. The roundness makes the shape softer. Tail shape makes the tail tighter or wider. Natural flow rotates the hair organically, and you can add some randomness to it. Groom makes hair closer to the center. Brush up makes the hair upwards. You can add some randomness to make it look more realistic. In hair section, you can change count, resolution, length, radius, and shape. Adding some hair length randomness will make your brow more realistic. The shape would make the hair look pointy or more like a cylinder. Higher resolution adds more polygons to each hair. Baby hair regulation shows more or less hair. The count decides how much hair generated around the shape. Scatter pushes hair further, and the length is relative to main hair. Curl makes hair bend toward its end. Lifted pushes hair away from the face. Trim length makes hair in the area shorter. You could control the range as well. If you're happy with your brows, you can change a random seed to see some variations. The left and right seeds are separated. To get the best results, try as many as you want. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy
Superfacial Brows.